Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of one more beautiful designing pattern using the normal stitching needle on already stitched blouse. For that, I'd be using the coin to mark the circular shape like this semicircle shape. Irrespective of any sizes, you can use any circle like this. Place it on a piece of paper and give the markings of 3 to 4 semicircle shape like this on the corners and cut on these marked shape. This is how we have to give the markings on a piece of paper. And now I'd be placing this on the neckline to give the markings of this semicircle shape, and this is how we have to place it. I would be leaving little gap of nearly 1 centimeter, that is to highlight the neckline firstly. So for that we would use stone lace and chain ball lace, and this is how we have to give the markings. Here I'd be using the pencil to make you visible, and on these curved shapes we have to give one of the semicircle markings like this. This is how we have to highlight complete neckline, and first line is done. The second line will be placed on the tips of the centers of the first line as the reference. I think this is clear to you all. You can clearly see here the first line which I marked the semicircle shape, that I made the reference for the second line, keeping the centers for this. So for this neckline designing, I'll be giving 2 lines of markings, but this is up to you. You can mark up to 4 lines, or if you want to have heavily, you can go up to 5 lines depending upon the semicircle shape which you take. And for this designing, I'd be using purple, also the red color anchor or the dolly threads for the designing. Here I'd be using 12 strands for that. You can also try with the silk threads or any types of an embroidering threads. The volume is up to you. To give rich and heavy volume look, I'd be using here 12 strands, and it's completely optional. This is how we have to give the fillings on this semicircle shape. First line I'd be creating with a purple line. It's just a simple satin stitch. This is how, without leaving any gaps, we have to fill in this semicircle shape. All these materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. Without leaving gaps, we have to fill in this semicircle shape like this. The pattern is really highlighted with the thread work. And the second line would look like this. This I'd be using the red color anchor thread, and from the center we have to start it. Without leaving gaps, we have to give satin stitch. Now that the complete thread work has done, now I'd be highlighting these outlines. For that, I'd be using here the chain ball lace of very small size, and you can also try with the stone lace or pearl lace. That will really gives rich appeal, but I wanna carry this with the gold work, so I'd be preferring to use gold color chain ball. I already measured the size of this curve shape, and accordingly I have given the cuts. For that, I'd be applying the glue and now sticking here. The same way I'd be highlighting the second line also on these semicircle curves. The same way I'd be sticking the chain ball lace. Now on this leftover space On this blouse, I'll be sticking this drop shape frame followed with the sticking of kundan of purple color like this. This is to create the designer booty, and underneath this also I'll be sticking the designer ring followed with the rhinestone. The same way I'll stick on this tip also. The pattern which I have created, I'll be elaborating here step by step so that it will make your work easy to do, and by seeing this also you can try it easily at home. And in this centers I'll be sticking framed kundans of leaf shape designed, and this is how we have to stick it. And in this purple color I'll be sticking the designer rings of rhinestones here in the centers. Now extending this design further, for that I'd be sticking here the rhinestone with the designer rings of gold color. And in this centers also I'd be sticking designer circular rings with the rhinestones, and on these strips of the curves I'd be applying the 3 lines, that is to stick leaf shape frame kundans. You can clearly see here on these tips of semicircle I'd be applying 3 lines. This is to stick the leaf shape framed kundans. Now that the glue work is completely dried, I'll be giving an invisible stitches on complete neckline followed with the chain ball lace where I have stuck the chain ball lace. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches on it. For that I'll be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. And the same way I'll highlight the sleeves openings also with the same 2 colors of anchor threads, and highlighting the sleeve openings with the chain ball lace and stone lace. And friends, I am done with this beautiful designing, and this is how the final outcome would look. Really, it's been enhanced with the kundan work and the stone lace, and the complete makeover of this blouse with the sleeves pattern. It's really looking extraordinary, isn't it? I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.